Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we will work on this design right here. So we go to File, New to open a new document. We will use the same settings we used for the former designs. So we click Create, here we are. Now I'm gonna change the color of the background. I'll make it in this color. So I take the color like this, I unlock the background. I use the paint bucket tool and here we are. Now we zoom in a little bit. Then I'm gonna show the rulers. Make sure that the rulers are shown from here. Now we put a ruler in here. Put another one in here. This one in here as well. Keep going like this. And the last one in here. Right here. Perfect. Now we use the pen tool. I put the first dot right here, then another one here, then here, here, and here. And then I connect the last dot with the first one. Now I make it in this color, like this, in gray. Then we remove this ruler, like this, and until I remove all of them. Now I'm gonna use the Curvature Pen Tool to fix this shape like this. Double click here to make this shape like this. I add another dot in here and here, then I drag the shape like this. Just a little bit. That's good. From here as well. And here we are, that's perfect. It looks like a pocket, so now I'm gonna make it in this color. That's good. Then right click here, I go to blend in options, go to stroke. I'm gonna adjust the size. I'm gonna make it 4 pixels like this. Then I'm gonna change the color like this. That's great. Now I go to the pen tool. Then I make a shape like this. That's good. Now right click here and I select create clipping mask. Then double click and I make this shape in this color like this. Now I use the pen tool to make this shape. It will look like a stain. That's good. Now I change its color like this. As I said, it will look like a stain. Now I go back to this layer. I select the Ellipse Tool, then I make a circle like this. Now I select the Curvature Pen Tool like this. I make a dot in here. That's good. Now we drag this dot like this. Keep going like this. That's great. Just a little bit like this, and here we are. Good. Now I activate the internal color and I will make it in this color like this. That's perfect. Now I use the pen tool. Then I make this shape like this. That's good. Now right click here and I select create clip-in mask. Then I change the color like this. Now I'm gonna draw some eyes in here, so we use the ellipse tool. Make sure that the circle is symmetrical. Then I make it in white like this. I copy the circle. I make it in black like this. Then I will adjust its size like this. Make sure to hold the shift button when you're adjusting the circle size to make it symmetrical, so that you don't lose its metrics. Now we select both circles, we copy them, and we drag them right here. We put it here. Now I drag the other one like this. I drag these two circles even more, and that's good. Now I go up here to this layer and I use the ellipse tool to make a circle in here. As I said, it needs to be symmetrical. You can adjust the metrics of the circle from here to make sure that it's symmetrical. Now I make the circle in this color like this. Then right click, blend in options, and I will add a stroke to the circle. Now I copy the circle, then I drag it and I put it right here. That's perfect. And here we are. This is the final look of our design. Now I select all the layers and I adjust the design like this. Now we save the design in PSD in case we want to edit the design later. That's why we save it in PSD first. Then we will remove the background and we save the design as PNG to add it to the mockup. Now that's good. Now we go to the mockup page. We remove this design and we replace it with the one that we just made. Here it is. I'll keep it like this, then I will adjust it and I put it right here in the center. I need to change the background and I make it in this color. That's great. Now we click OK to apply the changes. Remove these layers like this. That's perfect. Now we go to File, Save, and here we are. This is how our design looks on a t-shirt. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video to work on another design.